And what's up, everybody? It's Trend. And today we're going to try something a little different. I'm not giving away thousands of dollars, but I'm giving away the secret to success. That's right, we're talking about starting your own channel. Whether you're all about gaming, showing off your crazy skills, or just want to make people laugh, this is how you turn that passion into a community of millions. No, seriously, millions. Just like you watched this video, there are people out there waiting to discover. So let's break it down step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll be ready to hit that upload button with confidence. You ready? Let's do it. First things first, you got to figure out where you're setting up shop. We talking YouTube, home of those epic challenges and collabs? Twitch, where the gamers hang and the chat goes wild? Or maybe you're thinking Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. The point is, each platform has its own vibe. YouTube's your boy for longer videos. Think those crazy challenges we do. Twitch is all about live action, connecting with your people in real time. And social media, quick hits behind the scenes, keeping it real. Think about what kind of content gets hyped, where you spend most of your internet time, and pick your platform. Don't stress too much. You can always branch out later. We're talking baby steps, people. All right, you've picked your platform. Now it's time to build your castle. Digitally speaking, of course. If you're already scrolling through memes, chances are you've got an account. But if not, signing up is usually as easy as pie. Email, password, maybe tell them you're not a robot. Boom, you're in. Don't worry, this ain't one of those prove you're human things with blurry pictures of crosswalks. We're keeping it simple. Once you're in, it's time to work that magic and transform your profile from just another user to future internet sensation. All right, time to make this thing official. We're talking channel creation time, baby. On YouTube, you're going to click your profile picture like you're about to expose your deepest secrets, but instead of that, you'll see your channel. Click it and bam, the gates to internet stardom are open. Twitch, same vibe, different platform. Log in, hit that profile icon, and channel will be chilling there, waiting for you to work your magic. Social media, find that create page or new account button, dedicate it to your awesome content, and boom, you're officially in the game. Chapter 4, customization is king, stand out from the crowd. Okay, we got a channel, but it's looking a little bland. Time to inject some personality into this thing. This is where you become the Willy Wonka of your own little internet factory. First up, the name. It's got to be catchy, memorable, something that screams you. Think about what makes your content unique, what your viewers will remember. Next, that channel description. This is your elevator pitch, your chance to tell the world what you're all about. Keep it short, sweet, and maybe throw in a few keywords so people can actually find your awesome content. And don't forget the visuals. Profile picture, banner image. Think of it like your channel's outfit. Make it pop. Chapter 5, content strategy. It's not just about hitting record. Now we're getting to the good stuff, the content. This is where you unleash your creativity, but even the wildest ideas need a little structure. What kind of content are you most passionate about? What gets you fired up to hit that record button? Maybe you're a gaming god, a makeup magician, or you just tell the best darn jokes this side of the internet. Figure out your niche, what makes you, and build your content around that. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, have fun with it. The more passionate you are, the more it'll show in your videos. And trust me, people can tell the difference. Chapter 6. Lights, camera, action, creating content that pops. All right, you've got your platform, your channel's looking fly, and you've got a content plan that would make even the biggest YouTubers jealous. Now it's time to make it happen. Hit that record button and unleash your inner superstar. Whether you're filming on a phone or a full-blown studio setup, remember, quality matters. Good lighting, clear audio, and editing that doesn't make people's eyes bleed are your best friends, and don't be afraid to experiment. Try different editing styles, see what resonates with people. Most importantly, have fun with it. If you're not enjoying the process, it'll show in your content. So you've hit upload. Congrats, you're officially a content creator. But the journey doesn't end there. Now it's time to build that community. Those loyal fans who are going to be there for every upload, every live stream, every single piece of content you put out into the world. And how do you do that? By engaging, my friend. Respond to comments, even the weird ones. Ask for feedback. What do people want to see more of? Run polls, create Q&A sessions, make your audience feel like they're part of the journey, because they are. Without them, you're just talking to a camera. Make them feel seen, make them feel heard, and watch that community grow. Okay, you're creating awesome content, you're building a community, now it's time to let the world know you exist. We're talking promotion, baby. Share your channel on every social media platform you can think of. Tell your friends, your family, your grandma, that nice cashier at the grocery store. You get the idea. Collaborate with other creators, do shout-outs, basically. Get your name out there, and don't underestimate the power of SEO. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, even in your videos themselves. The more you optimize, the more likely people are to stumble across your channel and become part of the crew. You've put in the work. You're starting to see some growth. Don't stop now. The biggest key to success on any platform: consistency, my friend. That algorithm, that mystical beast that decides who sees your content, it loves a regular upload schedule. Figure out what works for you, whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily if you're feeling ambitious, and stick to it. The more consistent you are, the more the algorithm will reward you by showing your content to a wider audience. It's like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So keep grinding, keep creating, and watch that channel soar. And there you have it, my friend, my step-by-step guide to starting your own channel. Now, I know it might seem overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's all about taking it one step at a time. Remember, even the biggest creators started with 0 subscribers and a dream. The most important thing is to be yourself. Create content you're passionate about and engage with your community. And don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, have fun with it. You never know, you might just be the next big thing. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and create something awesome. I believe in you. If you need specific advice for a particular platform, feel free to ask.